Well, we've just come back and been picked up again after our safari, which was absolutely fantastic. It exceeded our expectations. We saw
5 tigers, 1 tiger on the first afternoon, 1 tiger the next morning, and 4 in the afternoon, which was absolutely amazing because it was a lifelong dream come true.
It was, and everything ran really smoothly. We had pickups, drop-offs, all of them ran smoothly. We had, the accommodation was fantastic. The food was, well, we'll be going home with a few extra kilos. So it's absolutely been an amazing experience altogether.
Wonderful. Everything went so well. We felt like we were queens.
And we really appreciate it from Queen Kerry and Queen Margaret.
Thank you.
Would you recommend nature safari to?
Absolutely recommend it.
Without
Would not
hesitation.
hesitate to recommend it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.